Again guys, good afternoon. I got some kind of few geranium going on here into the front lawn of my garden. And this kind of geranium in here, I had this about many years ago, or kind of 3 years ago. The reason just survived because during the winter time, I just moved this into my conservatory room because it's on the pot really. I put into the little pot like that, and it's easy to move into my conservatory room during the winter time just to make it survive for next year. And that's the way how I did it, because I don't like keep buying plants every year, so I had to save this. And in order to keep going on every year, and this is what happened. I'm pretty happy because I done that. It's just the problem that my conservatory room is not big enough, so I trying to squash him into the one little corner during the heavy winter time. As long as keep my eye open to them, not to let over dry the soil underneath, things like that. Yeah, and that's the way I do it. And I got few more geranium in here. That this one here is just from the cutting as well, from the mother of plants. I just planted this about about few months ago, and it start growing again nicely, and it's in the pot as well. The reason I put into the pot because it's easy for me to move inside the conservatory during the heavy winter time, and that's my technique really. And I love this kind of flowers. Geranium flowers always beautiful flowers to look at it, but I only putting some fertilizer to it. It's about 3 times in a year, something like that. I don't over fertilize my flowers because I don't think that's a good idea anyway. Yeah, and I had a pink one, little pink one as well. So this is a new one. I bought this into the high street in town few weeks ago, and this is what it look now. It's starting growing some more flowers, and I hope this is survive nicely, but I keep my eye open to it anyway in case. Yeah, and I think I got about few more little pots of geranium flowers, but the mother of plants of geranium, this is what it look like. And it's getting older now because I had this for many years at least, but still doing pretty well really, and I love this. Yeah, I love this kind of plants. And anyway, I got a little small geranium there as well. It's growing nicely too. I grew this from cutting as well about a few weeks ago, and it start growing again nicely. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. Bye.